Hello students, welcome to our next video tutorial on engineering drawing subject. From this video tutorial onwards, we are going to start discussing about new topic, projections of straight lines. What do you mean by straight line? A straight line is a set of points which are in straight. Right? That's simple. I would like to recall you how to draw the projections of a straight line with respect to first quadrant. Orthographic projections concept already we have discussed, and you will know pretty well about how to draw projections of a line, projections of an object which is in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. But still, I'm trying to recall you this. Horizontal plane, vertical plane, reference line XY. Above HP in front of VP, first quadrant. Behind VP, above HP, second quadrant. Below HP, behind VP, third quadrant. Below HP in front of VP, fourth quadrant. Now this first quadrant is nothing but here, taking the object here, we call it as first angle projection. First angle projection, which is above HP in front of VP. What is this? Above HP, horizontal plane, in front VP, vertical plane, first angle projection. Now when you consider any object, a point or a line or an object in first quadrant, projections drawing should be viewed from here. Drawing projection should be viewed from the right side. Now when you are looking from here, right, when we are observing from here, this projection falls here, right, which is above XY line, right. I am drawing another separate XY reference line. This view is called as front view, right. When we are looking from here, when this object projection is falling on vertical plane, which is above XY line, as per BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, first angle projection, front view comes above XY line. Now same to draw top view. When you are looking from top, this object projections will fall on top view, right? On top view is nothing but on horizontal plane. But to get into a same line, because as our blackboard or whiteboard are the same plane surface, right? But here the two planes are perpendicular to each other. We are rotating it at an angle of 90 degrees so that it will fall and comes below XY line. Nothing but here top view. Top view comes below XY line. Finally, you are supposed to remember always, as per first angle projection, your front view comes above XY line, top view comes below XY line. This is just brief. I am recalling you about orthographic projections concept. You have our brief discussion on orthographic projection concept. If you want, you can go to that video tutorial too. As per that, we have discussed projections of points. Now we are proceeding and we came to discuss about projections of straight lines. Right? Straight line, I have example. Straight line, a simple line, two end points. Line, set of points with two ends. Now, how we will go to discuss about this unit is line with respect to its position in first quadrant above HP and in front of VP. Now, if you observe, right, please consider our whiteboard as vertical plane. Right? Now, whatever the table which I am showing with my hand here as horizontal plane. Horizontal plane, vertical plane. Above HP, in front of VP. This is first quadrant. Now, whatever the projections we are supposed to draw or discussing with problems, you can consider always first quadrant as per our BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. In India, we will follow a first angle projection. First angle projection. Now, coming to this problems, what we are going to discuss, right? We will start discussing the projections of straight lines with respect to their position in first quadrant, right, with respect to cases. Now as part of the case 1, line parallel to both HP and VP. Line parallel to both, HP means horizontal plane and VP means vertical plane. How it will be? See, suppose I am considering this as a line. Now as I told, this as horizontal plane, this as vertical plane. Right? Parallel means what? Parallel. Now what do you mean by parallel definition? See, when you try to draw two lines, the distance between these two lines at any point should be same. Should be same. Then you can call it as this line is parallel to this one, right? Now this line, it may be AB or etc. right? And this may be a plane. Like this we are supposed to analyze. Parallel, I hope you understand what do you mean by parallel. Right? Now I am keeping this line like this. I hope you all looking this. Now I am giving a statement that this line is parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. Horizontal plane means the table which is below. Please consider this as horizontal plane and whiteboard as vertical plane. We are doing first angle position. First angle position should be drawn by considering the objects in first quadrant. Location of first quadrant is above HP in front of VP. How you can tell that this line is parallel to horizontal plane? Horizontal plane, already it's a plane surface. Now you have 2 points for this. Point A, suppose, point B, suppose. Now point A is at some height. Say suppose it H. Say suppose it H. Now point A is at height H from horizontal plane. Same way point B as at same height from horizontal plane. Now you can confirm that as two ends of the straight lines are at same height, you can say that this line is parallel to horizontal plane. Hope you all understand this statement. When a line having 2 points, 2 endpoints, when those 2 endpoints are at same height from horizontal plane, then you can conclude that that line is parallel to horizontal plane. Now coming to this position, this line is parallel to vertical plane also, right? How about this vertical plane? Here it is. Now point A and point B, as I said earlier, point A is at some distance D. What is that? Some distance D from vertical plane. Another end point of straight line, point B, consider this as point B. This B is also at the distance of D, small d, distance of small d from vertical plane. Now you can tell that as 2 points of the straight line, end A and end B are at same distance D from vertical plane, right? Then you can tell that this line is parallel to what? Vertical plane. Now I can give a statement, the position of this line as line is parallel to horizontal plane and vertical plane, which is our case, line parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. Now how to draw its projections? With the example problem we will solve so that you will be easily understand. See, look at the problem. Line AB 50 mm long is parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane, parallel to both. Line is 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Line is 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. What is the line given? AB, its notation, end points. Line will have 2 end points, right? One end is A, another end is B. What is the length given? 50 mm. He is giving the location as parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane, parallel to both. Right? Line is 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. 20 mm in front of VP. So if you consider this as the position, end A, end B of a straight line of 50 mm long, height, see, parallel to both. It is at height H from horizontal plane. What is this point? A and B are at same height. What is that height? Above HP. Now as per this above HP, it's given height as 30 mm. Now in front of VP, Point A and point B are at the same distance d as per our definition. At what distance? 20 mm. Now how to draw its projections? Projections, right? As we are drawing the line which is located in first quadrant, we are supposed to draw first angle projection. In first angle projection, front view comes above XY line, top view comes below XY line, remember. So for that to initiate, we are supposed to draw a XY line. XY line first. On this XY line, see, we are supposed to draw height with respect to horizontal plane is something, but horizontal plane, you always remember, is equal to XY line in our drawing sheet or notebook or whatever your drawing board, right? Horizontal plane is nothing but equal to XY line. How much height it is? It is parallel to horizontal plane at some height. What is this height? 30 mm. So let me write the data in my style. See, first given line is AB of what length? 50 mm. Right? It is at height h of how much? 30 mm. It is at distance of how much? 20 mm. So for that, height h. So how to draw starting position on XY line? Select any point. Select any point. Above XY, nothing but above HP. Remember, above HP is nothing but above XY line. So what is that height? 30 mm. I am drawing projector first. For which point I am drawing this projector? End A point. End A point, right? End A. Now what is this length? End A. End A. I can write a point here and I can denote it as A dash. See, line given is capital AB. So whenever you draw front view, the notation should be small letter and dash. At what height it is? Mm. So what is the distance or length? Total it is 50 mm. So from here I have to draw a 50 mm horizontal line to another point which is capital B, B dash. Now here one more projector. Here it is 30, here it is 30. You can start anyway. Put a point here, draw 30 mm line. Now from here, measure 50 mm, put a point, draw another 30 mm line. Now join those 30 mm lines with thick to show you it as A dash, B dash, above XY line, which is nothing but it is front view, which is nothing but here front view. Now above horizontal plane, same height we have drawn 30, 30, we have finished front view. Next, top view. Top view is nothing but looking from here in first angle projection. Now when you are looking from here, we are supposed to observe the distance. Distance how much given here? 20 mm. End A is at 20 mm, end B is at 20 mm. When you are looking from here top, it will be projected on horizontal plane. As per rule, we have to rotate it, which comes below XY line. So when coming to that drawing sheet or drawing table, you have to just draw projector from here. What is that? We have to do, take the length, distance. Distance is 20 mm. Now here comes the point. Which point is called it as? A point. Now I am denoting it as small a. You are supposed to represent the top view point with only small letter without any dash. Front view dash, top view A. Already we have discussed in projections of points. Now same here. Trying to draw a 50 mm length. And again a projector from here, which is B. What is this distance? 20. Below XY what it is? Top view. As per first angle projection, front view comes above XY line, top view comes below XY line. I have used red color which is light to show that projectors. Projectors are nothing but helping lines which connects from one view to another view. Already we have discussed this in orthographic projections concept and points too. So this is your final projection. Right? One thing finished is doing dimension. Whatever the dimensions which are given in the question, try to show them in the answer. Already I have drawn 30 height, 20 distance. Now AB 50 and the long, 50 mm long. In front view it is 50, top view also it is 50. So anywhere I can show. I am preferring to show here. This is your final answer. Line parallel to both the planes, both HP and VP, right, at a height h and distance d. Height of 30 mm, distance of 20 mm. Hope you all understand. Simple. Once you understand this, remaining everything will be easy for you to follow. Right? Remember always, horizontal plane line will have two end points, end A, end B. It's not constant. End P, end Q. Right? Same height h. Same height h. From VP. End A distance small d. End B distance small d. Right? If you try to write like this, then you can easily understand and draw it. Hope you all understand. Still, if you have any doubts, you can contact me at any time. Right? Thank you. Jai Hind.